Here in this question, a stack S with elements 1, 0, 2, 4, 5, 7 with top of the stack as 7. That means this order is from bottom to top of the stack, and the two queues Q1 and Q2 are given. Q1 contains 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 from front to rear, from front end to rear end, and Q2 is initially empty. And here one code is given, and if we execute that code, what are the contents of, we have to find the contents of Q1 and Q2 after executing the given code. In this code, x and y are declared as integer variable, while stack S is not empty. We have to pop the stack and store it in variable x, and after that we have to dequeue, remove the element from the queue Q1 and store it in y. Then we have to add x with y and store it in x. And then again enqueue Q1 with the value which is present in x. Here, after adding x and y and storing into x the result and storing the result into x, we have to add the element to Q1, and then we have to add the element y, that is which we have deleted the element from Q1, we have to add it into Q2. So here first stack contains 1, 0, 2, 4, 5 and 7, and Q1 contains elements 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0, and initially Q2 is empty. So let us execute the code now. This is Q, and this is initially Q2 is empty, so this is empty, Q2 is empty. Now if we execute the code, in the first step we are popping the element from the stack S and store it into variable x. So here whenever we pop the element which is at the top of the stack, so here 7 is popped out and it is stored in x. Now x is equal to 7, and then after that we are deleting the element from Q1 and we are storing it in y. Here it is Q1, and we delete the element in the queue from front end. So here 3 is deleted and it is stored in y. Now x is equal to x plus y, that means we have to add these two and store it in x. So here now x is equal to 10, and we have to insert this x into Q1, and we insert element in the queue at the rear end. So here 10 is stored here. Now we have to enqueue y into Q1 into the queue Q2. The value which we have deleted from the Q1 initially will be inserted into Q2. So we can write this 3. So here y is 3. Here we are inserting 3 into the Q2. After that it will check for this while condition, while stack is not empty. Here stack is not empty. So here again this is popped. 5 is popped and 5 is stored in x, and from Q we will delete one element, which is 6, and it is stored in y. Now we have to add these two, we'll be getting 11, and this 11 is stored in the Q, inserted in the Q. Now the Q will become, we'll insert this element into Q1. and we have to insert y, which is 6 into Q2. Here 6 is inserted. The same step is repeated until the stack S is empty. So now here 4 is popped out. Now X will become 4 and 7 is deleted. Here Y will become 7 and we have to add these two. 7 plus 4, 11. This 11 is stored in Q1 and this Y is stored in Q2. Here Y is 7. So here 7 is inserted into the Q2. Now 2 is popped. Now X will become 2 and Y will become 8. 2 plus 8, 10. Now X is becoming 10 and this is inserted into the Q1, 10, and this Y is inserted into the Q2. Here this is 8. Here 0 is popped out and here 9 is popped out. 0 plus 9, 9. So this is the continuation of this Q. Here 9 is added into the Q1 and here Y value will become 9. This 9 is inserted into Q2. After that, last element in the stack 1, which is 1, will be popped out and it is added to the element which is deleted. Here deleted in the Q1. So here 0 is deleted and this will be added to 1. This will be added to and this last element 1 is popped out from the Q and this element 0 is deleted from the Q1. These two are added. The result is stored in the Q1. So here 1 is stored in Q1 and the value of phi, which is nothing but here the value of phi is 0. So here 0 is stored in Q2. So these are the contents of the Q's, Q1 and Q2. Q1 contains 10, 11, 11, 10, 9, 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Q2 contains 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So here correct option is option A.